Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have gained immense popularity in recent years, and so have the marketplaces where they are bought, sold, and traded. With this rise in popularity, transaction fees on some NFT marketplaces can be quite high. However, there are several marketplaces with low fees that you can explore in 2024. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of finding and using these low-fee NFT marketplaces, even if you're new to the world of NFTs. Before diving into low-fee marketplaces, it's essential to understand the different types of NFT marketplaces. There are two primary types: centralized and decentralized marketplaces. Centralized marketplaces are managed by a single entity, while decentralized marketplaces are managed by a community using smart contracts. Both have their pros and cons, and your choices should depend on your preferences and needs. Start by researching various NFT marketplaces with low fees. Some of the popular ones in 2024 may include 1. OpenSea, a decentralized marketplace with low gas fees, supporting multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. 2. NFT Showroom, a decentralized marketplace with low transaction fees, built on the Flow blockchain. 3. Mintable, a user-friendly marketplace with low fees, offering both fixed and dynamic pricing options. 4. Bakery Swap NFT Market, a decentralized marketplace on the BSC, Binance Smart Chain network with low transaction fees. Bot 5. Foundation, a curated decentralized marketplace with low fees focusing on digital art and collectibles. To interact with these low-fee NFT marketplaces, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports the blockchain network of your chosen marketplace. Some popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Make sure to set up your wallet and fund it with the required cryptocurrency. Visit the website of your chosen low-fee NFT marketplace and create an account. This process usually involves providing an email address and creating a strong password. Some marketplaces may also require you to connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore the marketplace's interface. Familiarize yourself with the different sections, such as Browse, Create, My Collections, and Settings. This will help you navigate the platform more efficiently when buying or selling NFTs. Each marketplace has its own listing and gas fees. Listing fees are charged when you create a new NFT, while gas fees are network transaction fees that vary depending on the blockchain network's congestion and demand. Make sure you understand these fees before listing your NFTs. Now that you're familiar with the platform, you can start buying or selling NFTs. To sell an NFT, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Create section of the marketplace. 2. Upload your digital asset, e.g., image, video, audio. 3. Set a price for your NFT or choose an auction format. 4. Pay any applicable listing fees. 5. Confirm the transaction in your connected cryptocurrency wallet. To buy an NFT, follow these steps. 1. Browse the marketplace for NFTs that interest you. 2. Click on the NFT you want to purchase. 3. Review the details and price. 4. If you agree, proceed with the purchase and confirm the transaction in your connected cryptocurrency wallet. After buying or selling an NFT, keep track of your transactions and the performance of your NFTs. Many marketplaces offer tools to help you monitor your portfolio and sales history. As the NFT market continues to evolve, marketplaces may introduce new features or change their fees. Stay updated by following the marketplace's social media channels, newsletters, or community forums. Finding and using low-fee NFT marketplaces in 2024 can be a great way for beginners to explore the world of NFTs without breaking the bank. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be well equipped to navigate these marketplaces, buy or sell NFTs, and manage your digital assets effectively. Remember to stay informed about any changes in the marketplace and its fees, and always prioritize security by using a reliable cryptocurrency wallet and keeping your account details safe. Happy exploring the world of NFTs.